Welcome back to Throttle Tribe. We've all been there, right? You're sitting at a stoplight, and this incredible cruiser pulls up. It's got the looks, the sound, and it just screams expensive. You want that feeling, hitting the open road on a bike that turns heads. But your wallet isn't exactly in the $20,000 range. Well, what if I told you that you can get that same head-turning, road-owning experience for way, way less? In this video, we're counting down 7 hidden gem cruisers you can snag for under $8,000 that deliver all the style and satisfaction of a bike costing more than double. So, let's count down the 7 cruisers that will make you forget all about those pricey alternatives. Let's do this. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Yamaha V-Star 250. This little bike is proof that you don't need a giant engine to have a giant personality. First off, the price is just ridiculous, in a good way. A brand new 2025 model has an MSRP of only $4,000. That is one of the most affordable ways to get a brand new Japanese-engineered cruiser. On the used market, you can easily find recent models for under $4,000 and sometimes even below $3,000. So, what's its secret weapon? The V-Star 250 is the bike in its class powered by a V-twin engine. Under the tank, a 249cc air-cooled V-twin gives it that authentic rumble and character you expect from a cruiser, just in a much more manageable package. It's got the DNA, a sleek teardrop tank, a low-slung seat, and enough chrome to get noticed. Look, nobody's winning a drag race on this thing, but that's not the point. It's built for fun, relaxed cruises, and zipping through city traffic. The seat is just 27 inches off the ground, which is a huge confidence booster for new or shorter riders. And with a claimed 78 miles per gallon, you'll spend way more time riding and a lot less time at the pump. Bottom line, the V-Star 250 is a gem because it gives you a true V-twin experience for a price that feels like a typo. It's reliable, easy to own, and the perfect gateway into the cruiser world. Number 6, Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Sliding into number 6 is the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. And let me be clear, this is not your grandpa's old-school cruiser. This is a modern, scrappy roadster that's completely flipping the script on what an affordable bike can be. The price is honestly hard to believe. For a brand new 2025 model, the MSRP is just $3,299. That's not a typo. You can buy a brand new, incredibly stylish motorcycle for less than the sales tax on some bigger bikes. Used ones can be found for between $2,500 and $3,500, which is an absolute bargain. What makes it so special is its modern, almost aggressive look. Royal Enfield went with a blacked-out finish, slick alloy wheels, and a compact, muscular stance that makes it look twice as expensive as it is. It's powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine making about 20 horsepower, which is the perfect recipe for city streets and fun backroad rides. The power is smooth and totally predictable, making it a dream for beginners. But here's where it really throws a punch. For under $4,000, you get dual-channel ABS as a feature. That's a critical safety feature some brands make you pay extra for on bikes that cost thousands more. It's also incredibly nimble, weighing just under 400 pounds wet, making it a blast to flick through traffic. This bike is a gem because it's the total package for a ridiculously low price. Modern tech, killer style, and that cool Royal Enfield heritage. It's an unbeatable urban machine. Number 5, Honda Rebel 300. Our number 5 spot goes to a bike that's already a modern legend, the Honda Rebel 300. Think of it as Honda's official, super cool invitation to the cruiser party. A new 2025 Rebel 300 starts at an MSRP of $4,149 for the non-ABS version. Used models are everywhere, usually selling for between $3,500 and $4,500, which is just fantastic value. And for that price, you get Honda's legendary "it just works" reliability. Power comes from a zippy 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that's sporty and full of torque, perfect for city riding and even short highway sprints. But the real magic is how accessible it is. The seat is an incredibly low 27.2 inches, so just about anyone can plant their feet flat on the ground at a stop, which is a huge confidence builder. Even with the budget-friendly price, Honda didn't cheap out on the style. The blacked-out parts and minimalist design make it look like a custom bobber you'd spend months building right off the showroom floor. For 2025, it even gets comfort and handling updates, like a revised rear suspension. Why is it a gem? because it delivers that custom bike cool factor backed by Honda's unbeatable reliability, all for under $5,000 new. It's the perfect worry-free stepping stone for new riders who demand both style and substance. Alright, halfway through. If you're getting some ideas for your next bike, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. We're always hunting for the best deals in the motorcycle world, and we'd love for you to join us. Now, back to the list. Number 4, CFMoto 450cl. At number 4, we have a bike that's making some serious waves, the CFMoto 450cl. This thing is a game changer, mixing old school bobber style with tech you just don't see at this price, and the price is where your jaw will hit the floor. The 225 450cl has an MSRP starting at just $5,099. For that money, you get a feature list that should belong on a much more expensive bike. Okay, check this out. It comes standard with both ABS and traction control. It's got a gorgeous round TFT display that looks vintage but has all the modern info you need, including phone connectivity. The engine is a 449cc parallel twin with a 270-degree crankshaft, designed for a torquey, smooth, and vibration-free ride that puts out a claimed 40 horsepower. And instead of a chain, it has a quiet, low-maintenance Gates belt drive, a feature usually reserved for premium cruisers. The styling is pure classic cruiser with a low 27-inch seat, a polished fuel cap, and a dual-chamber exhaust. It absolutely has the presence of a bike costing thousands more. This bike is a gem because CFMoto proved you can have the latest tech and head-turning style without the premium price tag. Number 3, Kawasaki Eliminator. Coming in at number 3 is the Kawasaki Eliminator. This bike is for the rider who can't decide between a relaxed cruiser and a sporty naked bike, so Kawasaki just said, why not both? For 2025, the base model Eliminator has an MSRP of $6,499. You can find lightly used ones for between $5,000 and $6,000, making it a killer deal. The Eliminator is built for riders who want those classic low-slung looks but crave a more engaging, spirited ride. At its heart is a 451cc parallel twin engine, borrowed from Kawasaki's sporty Ninja family, but retuned for that punchy, low-end torque you want in a cruiser. It feels way more lively than you'd expect. The riding position is more upright than a traditional cruiser, which a lot of riders find more comfortable and confidence-inspiring, especially in the city. Even at this price, you get modern touches like a full LCD dash and an assist and slipper clutch, which means a light lever pull and super smooth downshifts. With a low 28.9-inch seat and a lightweight frame, the bike is incredibly easy to manage. The Eliminator is a gem because it refuses to be put in a box. It's cruiser style with a sporty soul. If you find traditional cruisers a bit too sleepy, this is your wake-up call. Number 2, Kawasaki Vulcan S. Our runner-up at number 2 is the brilliant and super versatile Kawasaki Vulcan S. This bike is a masterclass in smart engineering, taking the fantastic 649cc engine from the sporty Ninja 650 and building the ultimate customizable cruiser around it. The 2025 Vulcan S starts at an MSRP of $7,299, right at the top of our budget, but delivering incredible value. Used models are a fantastic deal, often available between $5,500 and $6,500. But the real magic of the Vulcan S is something Kawasaki calls Ergo Fit. This isn't just marketing fluff. It allows the dealer to adjust the handlebars, seat, and foot pegs to perfectly fit body. Tall, short, it doesn't matter. They can make this bike fit you like a glove. This level of factory customization is unheard of on a bike at this price point. The 649cc parallel twin engine offers smooth, predictable power with tons of torque, making it feel solid and controllable everywhere, from the highway to downtown. Its muscular modern style sets it apart from traditional V-twins, but it's still a comfortable laid-back machine at its core. Simply put, the Vulcan S is a gem for anyone who's ever felt a bike wasn't quite right. That ability to tailor the fit makes it feel like a custom machine, but for a price under $8,000, it's an irresistible choice. Number 1, Honda Rebel 500. And finally, at our number 1 spot, was there ever any doubt? It's the king of the affordable cruiser scene, the Honda Rebel 500. This bike has a cult following for a reason. It just nails the formula. It's simple, it's versatile, and it's loaded with attitude. The 2025 base model starts at an MSRP of just $6,199. Given its popularity, the used market is packed with great examples, often priced between $4,500 and $6,000. So why is the Rebel 500 our number one? Because it's the bike that asks, what do you want to do today? And the answer is always, yes. City commute? Yes. Highway trip? Yes. Fun on a twisty road? Absolutely. It's powered by a famously smooth and reliable 471cc parallel twin engine that provides a satisfying 45 horsepower. Like its little brother, it prioritizes confidence with a super low 27.2-inch seat height, but it also comes loaded with premium features like full LED lighting, a slipper assist clutch for an easy lever pull, and optional ABS. The Rebel 500 is number one because it does everything well. It's the gold standard for affordable cruisers, delivering the perfect mix of modern bobber style, fun performance, legendary Honda, reliability, and high-end features. It is the bike that proves you don't need to drain your bank account for a truly premium, do-it-all cruiser experience. And there you have it. 7 awesome cruisers that deliver that $20,000 feeling on an $8,000 budget. From the V-twin charm of the V-Star 250 to the do-it-all excellence of the Honda Rebel 500, there's a bike on this list for you. The bottom line is, the open road is closer than you think, and you absolutely don't have to settle just because you're being smart with your money. So, which one of these would you park in your garage? Did we miss a budget cruiser that you think deserves a spot? Drop a comment below. We read every single one. If this video helped you out, give us a like and subscribe for more honest reviews and buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.